What's going on, Respawnable player? And today we are back with a new golden ammo and a new skin of the minigun. Let's take a look at it. So the first one we have the minigun. This skin looks awesome. It has 3 damage, 2 range, 2 accuracy, and 2 agility. Now let's take a look at the ammo. We got 12 accuracy, 30% health, and 7 agility. Now we good to go then. Let's go into a match. So guys, the minigun doesn't change at all. It's still overpowered, but not against some pro player like this guy. So let's take a look at the original miniguns and these lightning skin miniguns. So as you can see, the original miniguns and these new miniguns have the same damage, range, accuracy, and agility. On the other hand, we got this cool looking ammo, the golden ammo, which is awesome. So you can see that it has 12 accuracy, 30% health, and 7% agility. This is not good ammo at all. You know why? Because you don't have to get this golden ammo because we have the medic jacket, give a 30% protection against ultimate when you're wearing the support jacket. So like the spotter, you can use the spotter. Also it's plus 12% of your health. Also you can try to mix it up with the mammoth bandana, which I pronounce it So it increases the heal by 20% with the shotgun. So when you use the shotgun, it gives you a 20% of your health and also give you 7% of your agility too. You can also mix it up with the leg. The poison hunter pen, it increases your health by 20% with shotgun, also give you a 7 agility. So let me see, you have 30% of your medic jacket and plus 12% of your health too, so it becomes 42% of your health. And you get a mammoth bandana, you got 42 and 62% of your health, and the poison hunter pen, 62% health plus 20, so it's 82% of your health. So you have enough for your you have over 100% of your health, so you don't have to get this golden ammo. Also, the mammoth bandana hats and the poison hunter pen give you a 40% of your agility. So if you're lucky enough to have this free, you are lucky enough to become a pro more than using this golden ammo. So this is the end of my speaking, guys. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications when I upload a video. So let's enjoy the end of the match.